Join me today as I show you how to coordinate your room by decorating even places like on top of your windows. Here we go. I have these arch windows, but you might not, and you can just do the same thing if you don't. So the first thing I did was I put a piece of garland up there on top of the arch. Next thing I did was I know I have to coordinate between my mantle and my window topper. Same colors and same idea, beads and balls and things. Next, 100 lights went into this, and as you notice, I put the beads the same way as I have them on the fireplace. Next in is this beautiful ribbon from Costco. It glistens and is absolutely wonderful. Music room calls for musical instruments. So here I put in some cellos, trumpets, and French horns, and I'm showing you how I organically placed the ribbon. And there you go. There are the ornaments and the beads located inside that garland. It coordinates absolutely perfectly, and it gives the theme of the room some meaning. Now, next thing I have to do is add in the green and gold balls, just like is on the mantle. But before that, I put in just this central piece to bring attention to the center. And right in the circle top, I have this star because they're going to appear somewhere else in the room as well. I'm not decorating the tree yet, but I'm showing you how I'm putting this old-fashioned tree together row by row by row. And yeah, I spray painted it gold with metallic gold spray. It's an old tree, but I absolutely love the shape and the thickness of the tree, and it's going to look beautiful. And that is probably going to be in the next video. So don't forget to come back to see how this tree finishes off the music room and coordinates with the mantle and with the window tops. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what I did. Thanks for stopping by today. I really do appreciate it. And you take care and come back really soon because I'm going to be doing something else, like that tree in this room. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye.